7-pace worklog suggestions help you capture missed effort by analyzing your Jira activity and calendar events. To begin, ensure the feature is active by enabling the worklog suggestions toggle in the bottom right corner of the weekly view. This populates your calendar with suggested time blocks. Once enabled, suggested worklogs appear as highlighted entries. When you hold the pointer over, you are presented with 3 possible actions: edit, dismiss, and accept. If you need to refine the details, choose Edit. This lets you adjust the duration, assign the time to a different Jira issue, or add specific comments before the worklog is saved. For suggestions that do not represent billable or trackable work, select Dismiss. This removes the entry from your view without affecting your actual timesheet or external calendar. Select Accept for entries that are accurate as is. This instantly converts the suggestion into a permanent worklog, saving you from manual data entry. By utilizing these controls, you can quickly process your entire week, ensuring high-fidelity time data with minimal administrative overhead. Streamline your time tracking today.